Going, guys, going off grid. We're up at the cottage again. Got the solar system doing its job. It's working great. We're almost fully charged again. We got the hot water tank full and up to temperature. It's no longer taking any power. I'm going to be taking a little shower later. Maybe I'll just wash my hair because I'm about to get real greasy. We're up at the cottage. Drove up here. And we broke down on the way up in the Jeep Grand Cherokee because I bought a Chinese part for it because that's pretty much the only place that makes them. I actually found a place in Detroit. Sorry, I just put my shoes on. That makes them. So we got towed up to the cottage because we're close to the cottage. And let's see here. I got my brother-in-law that came up to go to the junkyard and just get me a whole new drive shaft for 150 bucks. Seems good, a little rusty, but other than that, it's not too bad. So that's what I'm doing. I'm replacing it right now. Let's see if you can see it. Where is it here? Right there, that sucker there is shot. So, replacing that. And yeah. It's beautiful up here. Had a bonfire last night. We got all the pop-outs out on the trailer because brother-in-law and sister are here with us with their little guy. There's lots of permanently parked vehicles here. Grandpa likes to keep them on hand. But even with all the junk, it's still very nice here. Really, really nice. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Oh, one more thing. Solar in that house is working amazing. I'll give you an update on that soon. Okay, so we're inside the cottage. The cottage is doing great. Well, at least the solar part is. We're full charge on the batteries. Check it out. We are flashing. We're flashing there. Batteries are doing good. This SWI 12 volt model of this inverter. This thing has been pretty much on 24/7 for 3 or 4 years now. Now, this company's super hit or miss. I had two 60 volts that fried. They're garbage. This 12 volt model is a beast. Going on 4 years. One of the cheapest pure sine waves you can buy. Just chucking along nicely. And this runs this entire house, so microwave, the house is really messy, it's alright. He's got a projector screen on in here. Like his lights, got all the lights turn on. He has his computer here. He got this full-size fridge in the middle of the living room running, or almost full-size. It's actually a little smaller than full-size. But that's on. I don't know if you guys can hear it. And everything just runs off that little 3,000 watt inverter, and it's just run awesome. So that's pretty neat. But we do have this new inverter that's going to be installed soon. 6,000 watt. But that's for another weekend. And we're going to try and clean this up because that's been that way for far too long. Anyways, thanks for watching. Alright, so we are looking at, come on, focus, 100 watts coming in on this 200 watt folding solar panel. Just flip that down. I just have that set up on top of one of the pop-outs. And the other side here, look at how flexible these are. I got batteries are fully charged. 121 watts here. I just turned the hot water heater up a little bit to get it to pull some power. Now I turned it up to, I believe it was 55 Celsius or something like that. So I'm just gonna flip this down so it's not bending the panel so much. So this is a 300 watt. Just laying on top of there. Not an ideal sunlight, but I mean, better than nothing. Got everything on the trail I could possibly have on. I got the booster pack charging there. Got the power charging there. Got the exhaust fan on. The only thing I'm not running is the AC because it's definitely not needed. So yeah, just checking out the solar panels a bit. Now it's time to get working on the Jeep. Well, we're up to the roof. Well, ready for the roof anyways. Roof package supposed to be coming today. Still got a bunch of tieback to flip around and kinds of stuff. The work trail has been doing great. We only ran a generator for about 3 hours so far. It's a very cloudy day. And we didn't even have to run the generator. I just was leaving for a few hours. I wanted to make sure the guys weren't going to have any issues. Wasn't going to have it. We were getting low on power, but we never ran out of power. We're sitting at 123 volts AC, 48.3 volts in the battery. And what do we got coming in? Almost nothing. Look at that. We've made 21.74 kilowatts so far. There's your voltage in the batteries. This is my solar disconnect. And everything's working good. Got all the batteries charging. Anyways, just giving you guys an update. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Friday, almost time for the weekend. Still got some power in the off-grid system. What are we making? 500 watts. Almost 30 kilowatts so far. Everything's working good. Got the roof on. I don't know how well you can see that. It's odd. It's about 80% complete. And yeah, this little compressor's been doing amazing. It's oilless too. Anyways, thanks for watching.